So these are the ducts with different sizes from 250, 300, 400, 450 and 600, and I have these duct Clevis hangers. This is just generic family, and I'm going to introduce this. And so you see here it's trying to pick the face, so because the face of the round duct is so completely round, it's not a flat face, so I can mount it anywhere. But in order to mount it properly vertically, I think I should go to the plan view. So this is the plan view, and now if I bring it and place it on face, so you can see this, the rod, when it comes almost vertically in the center, I can mount it, and now you can see here. So in this video I'm going to make this family of Clevis hanger, a generic family, from the beginning, and watch till the end, because how it's made, I'm just going to show you complete tutorial about how to make this Clevis hanger for the ducts and pipes. Hello and welcome to the new video, and in this video I'll show you the complete tutorial of how to make the duct Clevis hanger. So we start immediately, file new family. So for this purpose I'm going to make use of face-based generic metric template, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to create a couple of parameters. Put this value 0, and I'll make the first parameter dia instance. I can even keep it type, but let it be instance, and give it a value, say 500, and then radius instance, and this of course will be calculated from dia, like this is half of dia. And then I need another parameter, I'll call it just a, for example, and instance parameter, and this will also be calculated from the radius parameter. So say I'll make it like 1.1 times radius, and then there will be a rod, and I would need to keep just another parameter called rod length, that will be also instance. So I'll just give any value like 200, and that's it. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'll go to the front view, change this to ratio from 1 to 5, and now I'm going to make a couple of reference planes, and these reference planes will be like so, parallel to this middle reference plane, and then I just need to keep them like the total distance of 110 millimeters and like 55 from each other. So either I can align both of them, or I can do one by one, like 55 and 55. This one from here, I just select this, and you can change the value like so, and then you can later on delete these parameters. And then I need to make a couple of more, two more reference planes. So one has to be like 10 millimeters away from this, like so, and the other one will only like 6 millimeters from here, like this. So I can just do this again and select this one until I'm able to edit this and change it to 6, and then I can delete this. And this, of course, I think this was 10 already. Yes. So now I need to make one more parameter, one more reference plane here like this, and now I have to make use of this align dimension, and I'll go here, and it's better to select not this extrusion handle, but rather hit tab and select this reference level, and then this, and this, it will be my dimension A. And now I have to go and make a sweep, and I have to sketch the path of sweep, and inside the sketch you need to go here, circle, and then you have to bring your cursor and start your circle from any random point on this mid reference plane, and then you can hit any dia. So you just select this circle and make the center mark visible, and then either use align tool or press AL to align from this center, the vertical center only of this circle. And also I need to make this radial dimension. Since I have radius calculated, so I can make this radial dimension like this, and I can move it a little bit outside and call this radius, and then one more dimension, also align dimension, and hit again the reference level by tab and this center, and this is also going to be my radius. So now you can see that this circle is touching the reference level, like the reference level or reference plane is like tangent to this circle. So now you can hit OK and select the profile or edit profile and go to, let's say, left view, and then here I'm going to make a rectangle. So the thickness of this profile or this it's going to be like 80 millimeters. So let's say I start from here and I choose like 80, and then I just need to give offset of 10 millimeters like this, and that's it. This is my profile. So total it's going to be 80. Okay, so this is 80 and then 80 by 10. Now you hit OK, and then now go back to sketch path. So this is very important because the sketch here is not complete, so it's just the beginning. So now what you have to do is you just draw a line inside the sketch and create this line like on this reference plane like so, and then make use of align tool. Use this reference plane and then this line and then this reference plane and the end point of the line and this reference plane and this end point of the sketch line. Now what you have to do is make use of this split element to break this circle from 2 points, any random 2 points from here and here, let's say, and then select this and delete it. And now sketch a line starting from this point and bring it to your curved circle until you find the tangent. So here I found the tangent like this, and then pick this circle and drag this point manually until you meet this point, and don't forget to lock this small lock. And now I need to give offset to 11 since my profile is 10 millimeters, so it has to be minimum 11. So I'll just give this 11 millimeters, and then I can also make use of align dimension from this to this and lock this, and then unlock from here, and this should be locked to the inner one, and here to this inner one. And from this point again I have to draw a line to this circle to find the tangent. So this is my tangent, and then pick this and drag it manually to this endpoint and press this lock button, and now your sketch is ready. You can just click that, and now you just have to make sure that this particular thing, it should be above, it should come above the this reference line. So what I will do, I will just select this my sweep again, and I will go to my profile, edit profile. I'll go to left view again, and so this particular thing, which is like above this, you can see this it starts from here, so I need to just bring it down here like so, or just reverse it, and that's it. So now you can see that this one is above. So once it comes above, then it will be wrapping the duct completely. So now you just need to, I just need to go to my 3D view. All right, so what I can do, and this is the shaded view, I can just quickly select some material from here to just change the color, or I can just change the color from here as well. So I will just change the color to something like very light, and I just can make use of use render appearance, and that's it. And now I have to go create and set my work plane. So I can pick a plane, and I can pick this top plane, and now I have to make use of void extrusion. Alright, so once I'm in extrusion, instead of making extrusion right from here, you can go to reference level again and make a circle of say only 6 millimeter radius or 12 millimeter dia. Alright, so here what you can do, give like -30, start from -30 to 30, that would be sufficient. Hit OK, and you can go to 3D view to see that the hole is in place. Alright, so that's fine. Now keeping from the same 3D view, you can make a new extrusion like so, and then again go to the reference level like this, make a circle like that, and you can give the offset value say 0.5, the inner one, and you just hit OK and go to the front view. So this one you can drag manually and lock it with this side, and here just keep the extrusion end to the 30 value without any problem. That it can be 30 fine, so it looks fine. And here also I can choose the material to be this one. Alright, and now the thing is, the next thing I will have to just draw a rod, and that's it. So I will again create extrusion while in the 3D view, create an extrusion and go to the reference level, and then like this. So what I will do here, extrusion end, I can just map it to my rod length and go back to my front view. Alright, so I can start my beginning and lock it from here to here. So this is it. So it's completely ready. So now I can load it to my project. So I'm going to load it on my project here. So now the thing is that it has to be mounted, placed on face, and like I showed in the beginning of the video, that once you bring it to the to your duct, so it just it just detects all the circular duct as it's the face. So what you can do is that you can, because it has a rod in the center, so you can, you know, position it carefully to the just middle of this like so, and then in other ducts. So one more thing is that if the duct is, for example, if there is a duct say 650, and in this direction, and then you bring this family again, and so I think I just have to change this to duct accessory, and just make sure that it is attached to, it should not be baked into or damper. And now I have to load it back into project and overwrite existing, and now it comes under this family 2 under the duct accessories. So I can press DA, and now the family 2 is there here, and place on face. So you can see that this is not aligned properly. So what you can do is press spacebar and it will be aligned there. So just bring it like so until you find to the center. So that's it. So and then keep on adding more and more hangers like this. Bring it here and bring it here like this, and also here like this. Alright, so you can go to the 3D view here. So now you can see this is the sizes are not as per the duct size, their sizes. So what I will do, I'll just select this, what is the duct size, 650. I'll just grab this and I will just give the value 650, and you see that it comes as perfectly. Alright, so again same here. So the duct size is 300. I will choose this and I'll give the value 300, and it sits properly. Alright, and likewise the next one, this duct is 400. I will just select this and I'll make this 400, and that's perfect. Alright, so this is the last one, also 700. I will choose this and I'll write this 700. Okay, so this is completely generic, so the dimensions I just made from my own, not a particular manufacturer, but it's very useful and it does the job. So I hope that you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.